JC here for another episode of Vagabond Vlogs. The end of October is nearing, so that means that Halloween is coming up. It's one of my favorite holidays because it's the perfect opportunity to do something creative. So, who you gonna call?
Ghost models!
As we speak, there is a challenge on the gram and it's called #GhostChallenge. It's kind of a funny take on ghosts where you take photos where you normalize the ghosts. So all kinds of mundane activities and kind of stupid shots, but done by a ghost. And the ghost needs to look very simplistic. It's a blanket and usually sunglasses. Of course, it's Vagabond Vlogs, so we're gonna add a touch of sensuality to it, a touch of Vagabond to it. For the first look, we're gonna go for something called the spicy look. Let's go, let's check it out. Skirt. For the spicy look, we're gonna use some leather accessories and some chokers. We're gonna put them on top of the blanket, because that's gonna add this funny twist to this like ghost who will do something in a content studio. Let's get you think.
It's intense, definitely.
So yeah, we're adding the first touch of spiciness, which is the choker. It's a ghost you don't want to mess with.
No, definitely actually more scary than the normal ghost. It's just a film of you, these two dudes putting these chokers on these ghosts. Definitely something new with
Oh,
that.
I wish the landlord would pass by now. Because how do you explain this? It's not explicit, but it's weirdly worse than explicit.
Yes.
Actually, I would be scared if I walk in. It's pretty scary, like a
No,
little
if
bit,
he
you know?
walks in, I'll take a choker and I'll be like, ah, you came on time. Take a seat. We were preparing for you. Second part is the harness.
Somebody needs to help you. This then, I think.
Ari, I think she needs a hand.
No, she's fine. She's done this before.
I love Halloween. Halloween all year round.
We call them very gender neutral, these.
Yes, I like it.
The glasses are definitely good to give some more context to what is actually going on, I would say.
They seem to be essential, yeah. The glasses and the blanket, that seems to be the basis where you start this challenge
this
with.
kind of like-
Wow, so the real challenge, now I understand about the ghost challenge, is not to do something creative as ghosts, but in our case to do something creative that is also sensual and spicy. That will be the real challenge. Now we introduce ghost models into what I call the content studio. It kind of looks like a webcam studio type of vibe. And I would have the girls do some kind of interactive poses as if they're in the process of shooting something, creating something together, as if we are not here. I'm just gonna try to capture some good angles of that scene. Red ghost model.
Ari, you'll have to...
Yes.
That was funny.
It's a little humid in here. It's like the outside, but more, well,
Yeah.
closed.
Alright, so now we have a live stream of two spicy ghosts. I think maybe for my first shot I will shoot in between them towards the TV, so kind of focus on the TV and have them a little bit blurred out. Let's start with that. I could have some shots where everybody's kind of in the shot, because that makes it more of like an active content studio. Where is Harry? Don't be shy, the ghosts won't bite. Can we move a little bit to Alessia's side? So that it's a little bit more in the middle of the TV, just a little bit. It's so weird, why don't I see myself? Yeah, okay, because it's not a mirror. It's super trippy, because my brain kind of tells me that it's a mirror, but I'm not there, I'm a ghost. If you pull it, the ring towards me a little bit, so her face is kind of aiming towards me. Okay, this is pretty good. Then there was one photo ID that Jonah had, which is kind of one of you holding a phone and lifting the blanket of the other ghost and kind of shooting under it, as if you're... Maybe you guys do it like on this.
I guess it will be cool if you're like facing camera, so you also have
Ah,
your face there,
the face
and
there,
then I'm
yes.
from backside.
Yeah, very good
something.
idea.
Me or you? Let's do rock, paper, scissors.
Oh, two ghosts
Yes.
playing rock, paper, scissors.
Never seen that.
Rock, paper, scissors. Okay, again, you both have scissors. 3, 2, 1, rock, paper, scissors.
We bled
Oh, that's
sweat.
fuck you. Okay, 3, 2, 1, rock, paper, scissors. So Alessia, you won. You can decide who is the
For
Who is
me,
the
just
ghost?
the same.
Alessia, look into the camera because she has the pink glasses that's gonna pop more on the screen. And here is the phone. And yes, you. The very big ghost glasses. Ghost wearing sunglasses on the TV is very interesting.
Looks like quite an interesting music video or something.
Domino, can you put your leg down, the other one, so that your right leg is kind of tiptoeing and has more of a... Yes, yes, exactly. Uh-huh. Yes, now I have the foot. Oh, yes. Looks much better. I'm framing her foot now with the couch. Okay. That's it. Now I got it. Beautiful. Really good one.
Yeah.
Do you guys have another idea? Like a shot that you would do in real life, you know, if you were not a ghost.
Well, one person spanking the other, something like that.
Yeah.
kinda,
Do you have something like a whip? I don't know what it is. I don't know which animal it belongs to, but it does look cool in this shot.
Kind
so.
of like a flogger, I guess.
Yes. So maybe for this shot we can switch, guys. Now it's the other person is gonna be the dom now.
Maybe you can use it for some ventilation also, you know, like...
Yes, it does.
That looks pretty dope. Yeah. Keep it. Yeah, there. A little bit lower. Too much? Yeah. Okay, cool then. Now I'm using the other camera. Yeah, this is great. So now as a front element I have this phone filming out of the TV. It also adds this vibe of content studio at work. It's a really nice frame, guys. Ale, can we try one different pose with that leg? Yeah, yes. Oh, something like this. Yes, yes. Oh, amazing. Yeah, got a lot of curves going.
I think we're done.
And now,
Yes.
urgently, Ari, let's remove the jokers from the
Help
girlfriends.
your women.
Good job. Yeah. For the second look, we're gonna go for the Beverly Hills Housewives. It's one of my favorite looks that I kind of redo in different ways. Today we're gonna do the ghost way. So that means we need some very fashion sunglasses, some earrings. We're gonna try to add maybe some lipstick to the mix. First shot, which is the Beverly Hills Housewives tying their shoes. By the way, the two ghosts of today, because they had a blanket earlier on, are Foxy and Domino.
Ta-da!
A Domino ghost who's gonna be painting her toenails in
With
the couch.
lipstick?
And then we got Foxy ghost right here. That's gonna be my main focus. She's tying her shoes in a very sensual way. You like it?
Yes, I like it.
Happy ghost?
Oh, yes.
For the next Beverly Hills shot, we're gonna go into the toilet. I hope Alessia is ready, but you can stay put for the first shot here.
I like
Ah, your blanket. This is just a woman on the toilet. Yeah, something like this. And the earrings. Like, don't look at me kind of vibe. Yeah, exactly. That looks pretty good. I would indeed add the one champagne glass on the floor or something. That would finish.
It's like a Halloween party almost.
Yeah,
Toilet.
exactly. Like a Halloween party gone wrong. So we added a bunch of elements to the shot to make it more of a after party gone wrong vibe. Let's try to retake that shot. Yeah, hold the phone even lower. Yes. Maybe holding the toilet paper. The roll on the left. This hand you still stick out. And here you just hold. Yes, that is good. Alright, and then I'm gonna do a POV indeed. Yes. Got it. Really cool shot. Ghost on the toilet. Worked perfectly. So for the next shot, I want to try this towel on the head, putting on lipstick, and you had this perfume thing, so we could do like a double duo shot again. So yeah, the Beverly Hills housewife look is not complete without this kind of towel, as if she came out of the shower, which makes absolutely no sense already being covered in a blanket, but it's again part of the joke of a ghost doing it. That is gonna look great with the glasses. The towel really finishes the look, don't you think, Jonah?
Yes, no, this is the best one I would say.
We kept the best for last. Walking my ghost, you know. Normal ghost hoarder activity. We would add some slippers to the mix. That looks great. Yes. Yes, yes, because now it's different than Domino's pose. This one is cool. I'll come closer to you guys if you want a closer shot. In a way, it's kind of maybe easier to compose the pose of a ghost because I don't need to take into consideration a whole bunch of things. For example, the upper body is mostly hidden and I don't need to think about facial expression or facial emotions. There's like less elements to focus on. So I can more easily kind of have as an end result a story that I want to portray. So next one will be, unless you're really putting on the makeup, so ignore the earring because I prefer to see your hand on this side, so then your face will also go on this side, right? On the right side, yeah. I want to see the hand coming more from the side, so you can turn your face more to me. We're gonna try to put it.
Yes.
I want to do a different one, where you're leaning against this with your back. I want a direct shot of you.
Wait.
Guys, if this is the first time watching our YouTube channel, there's more to it than this. Don't worry, we're not just putting lipstick on blankets. One last scene that I want to build, which is the Beverly Hills housewives chilling near the pool. So let's go to our place where we have a nice pool, some sunbeds to build that last shot. See you guys there, skirt. So this is gonna make even less sense. Now we have three kind of towels. So one for making them a ghost, one to lay on, and one in their hair.
No.
Do I need to sit?
No.
Where do I go? See what I'm doing.
It kind of feels like walking a grandmother.
It's
Yeah.
fine.
That's,
Yes,
it's
and you
not a
turn
child,
around.
it's a grandmother
Now you can
more.
sit.
Yeah, you can sit pretty straight indeed. Okay, I'm gonna give you a book. And Ale, I want you to put on sunscreen on your legs. Putting on sunscreen in the middle of like 10 minutes before sunset. Yeah, I think we've got this shot. For the next one, Ale, you can come stand here. Yes. And the front blanket, I want it to be open. Yeah, exactly. Now we're gonna try to wet the blanket to see how it looks when ghosts go for a swim in the pool. Okay, the hands down into the water, I guess. Yeah. Looks great, guys. Alright, this one is in the bag. You wanna show us what it looks like to swim as a ghost? Just you can remove the towel and the earrings for sure to be safer. Try to swim. Maybe we catch something funny. Kind of funny, yeah. Can you swim towards me now? Something funny. So now I'm also gonna feel what I did to you guys. I'm gonna experience it firsthand. Ooh, with a very toxic smell. Can somebody hand me my cap?
It's in front of you.
Thank you.
Oh.
So I'll just wear my cap.
Hold on, look at me, because it's not really.
Yeah, I will pull it, I guess.
Yes,
Is
yes.
it now good?
Yes,
Kinda like
if I
this?
now-
I'm so sorry, girls. This is horrible. This is absolutely horrible.
It's not the wet one yet.
It's wet enough. So don't forget, people, turn that frown upside down. Skirt, skirt.